Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a milkshake at home without ice cream. First, you'll need to gather your core ingredients: milk, a frozen banana, and a sweetener like honey or maple syrup. You can also add flavoring such as cocoa powder or fresh fruit. Make sure your blender is clean and ready to go. This simple method creates a delicious, creamy treat quickly. Now let's get blending. Carefully place all your chosen ingredients into a high-speed blender. Start blending on a low setting, then gradually increase the speed until the mixture becomes completely smooth and creamy. If your milkshake seems too thick, simply add a splash more milk, 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Blend again briefly after adding milk. The fun part is customizing your milkshake. Feel free to experiment with different frozen fruits like berries or mango, or try a dash of vanilla or almond extract for unique flavors. Once blended to perfection, pour your delicious creation into a tall glass. For an extra special touch, top it with whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate syrup, or some colorful sprinkles. Serve your homemade milkshake immediately to enjoy its optimal taste and texture. Here are a few extra tips for the perfect shake. Always use very cold milk. This helps achieve a thicker, colder consistency without needing extra ice. Don't be afraid to freeze other fruits besides bananas, like strawberries or peaches, to create entirely new flavor profiles. For those who love to read, check the description below for a link to a fantastic e-reader and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade, ice cream-free milkshake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.